Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best prepaid Mastercard Forex brokers. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. A prepaid Mastercard is a payment card that can be topped up with value. Once topped up, it can be used to make payments wherever Mastercard is accepted. A prepaid Mastercard differs from a credit card, as everything is prepaid. It does not, however, provide cardholders with a line of credit. Allowing for quick and convenient payments, Mastercard has become a staple in online transactions, supported by a wide range of platforms. As a Forex trader, Mastercard is one of the best services that you will have access to. Traders who are searching for some of the best prepaid Mastercard Forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best prepaid Mastercard Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have XM. XM is a beginner-friendly Forex broker that was founded in 2009 and is based in the United Kingdom. They are regulated by 6 top-tier agencies, including the CySEC, the ASIC and FCA, and currently have over 5 million clients worldwide. To start trading on the XM account, a minimum deposit of only $5 is required, and you can fund your account using one of 9 base currencies. XM gives you the opportunity to diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of commodities, Forex pairs, stocks, cryptocurrencies, metals, shares, and energies. We recommend XM for all types of traders, whether you are a professional or only just beginning your trading career. XM offers a total of 4 trading account types, and all accounts except for the shares account have a minimum deposit requirement of $5 with no commission fees. All accounts also have negative balance protection and can be converted to swap-free accounts. In addition to these 4 trading accounts, XM also offers a demo account with a virtual balance of $100,000, and you can choose a platform type, a base currency for your demo account, an account type, the leverage you would like, and the amount you want to invest. For clients of the Muslim faith, XM also allows all accounts to be converted to swap-free accounts. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. The XM Learning Center provides live education and plenty of educational videos, as well as Forex webinars and platform tutorials. You can also use XM for in-depth market overviews and market news, a variety of trading ideas, technical summaries, podcasts, and more. More experienced traders can use advanced trading tools such as MQL5 and Forex calculators if you are searching for any additional resources with XM. At number 4 on our list is Tickmill. Tickmill is an award-winning ECN and STP broker that is regulated by multiple agencies and is available in more than 200 countries worldwide. As a Tickmill client, you will have access to a variety of trading tools and features, including auto chartist, my FX book, virtual private servers, and more. If you are new to Forex trading, you can learn to trade using the educational resources provided and use a demo account to practice on. you can rely on daily Forex news updates to make sure you make informed decisions, and you can use technical and fundamental analysis reports and market insights to navigate the markets. With Tickmill, you can trade a wide variety of stocks, shares, indices, metals, energies, bonds, CFDs, Forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Cardano, and more. Tickmill offers a variety of trading accounts, including a classic account, which features a minimum deposit of $100 and spreads from 1.6 pips. Their Pro account has a minimum deposit of $100 with spreads starting from 0.0 pips. Their VIP account includes a minimum deposit of $50,000 with spreads starting from 0.0 pips. Tickmill's demo account gives you access to all the account features and more than 80 tradable instruments. And their Islamic account offers a no dealing desk model with execution speeds of 0.2 seconds. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the MetaTrader web trading platform. They also provide a wide variety of trading tools for all types of traders. Tickmill allows all social trading methods, enabling you to trade using MQL signals, auto trade, and even become a multi-account manager. As part of this commitment, Tickmill launched a project in collaboration with forexclub.pl, the leading Polish Forex education resource and one of the most successful professional money managers in Poland. This course helps new traders get started with social trading, a fast-growing trend in the Forex industry. Tickmill also provides a wide variety of educational resources, such as webinars, seminars, a variety of trading ebooks, a large repository of video educational content, infographics, and much more. If you are new to Forex trading, or you are looking for a copy trading friendly broker with a wide variety of trading tools, we highly recommend checking out Tickmill. If you are not ready to deposit any real money into your live trading account with this broker, you can try a demo account that will give you access to all the tools and features that real accounts have. Coming in at number 3, we have HYCM. HYCM is a renowned global online trading provider that caters both to retail and institutional investors. Established in 1977, HYCM boasts a rich history in the financial industry, making it a trusted and respected name among traders worldwide. Located in London, HYCM operates under the regulatory oversight of reputable financial authorities, ensuring a secure and transparent trading environment for its clients. HYCM offers a diverse range of trading instruments, providing traders with access to various financial markets. These instruments include Forex, commodities, indices, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and ETFs. HYCM's comprehensive selection of trading instruments empowers traders to build diversified portfolios and to seize opportunities across various financial markets. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the HYCM proprietary mobile application. Their account types include fixed, classic, raw, as well as demo and Islamic account options. Each of these account types provide traders with unique features and benefits, allowing them to choose the account that aligns best with their trading goals, risk tolerance, and preferences. HYCM is also dedicated to empowering traders with knowledge and expertise through its comprehensive educational resources. Whether you're a novice or an experienced trader, HYCM offers a wealth of educational materials to enhance your trading skills, which include webinars and seminars, video tutorials, ebooks, trading guides, market analysis, as well as a variety of trading tools, such as economic calendars and calculators, to assist traders in their daily activities and risk management. With these educational resources, HYCM strives to empower traders with the skills and insights needed to navigate the financial markets successfully. Whether you are just starting your trading journey or seeking to refine your trading strategies, HYCM's educational offerings are designed to support your growth and development as a trader. At number 2 on our list is FXPro. FXPro is a multi-asset, fully regulated, online Forex and CFD broker that was founded in 2006 in the United Kingdom. This award-winning broker uses an order book execution engine and offers competitive trading conditions and ultra-fast, no-dealing desk execution with deep liquidity. As an FXPro client, you can choose from more than 2,100 tradable instruments to diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of Forex pairs, precious metals, indices, shares, energies, and popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ether, Doge, and many more. FXPro provides all the tools, resources, and features you need to make informed decisions with your trades, and there are several different platforms that you can trade on when trading with this broker. Whether you are new to trading or an expert, FXPro provides beginner to advanced learning material, and beginners can practice using a risk-free demo account. More than 1.8 million people worldwide are currently trading on FXPro, and they have received more than 90 awards since launching in 2006. FXPro offers a total of 5 types of trading accounts and also gives their clients the option to use demo accounts and swap-free accounts. The trading conditions of FXPro's accounts are designed according to the platforms they are used with, and most accounts allow hedging and use a no-dealing desk execution model. The FXPro MetaTrader 4 Instant offers fixed spreads with no commission fees and instant execution. All instruments except cryptocurrencies can be traded using this account on the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. The FXPro MetaTrader 4 account also offers commission-free trading. However, it is a market execution account with tiered liquidity and floating spreads. This account can be used to trade all available instruments. The third account that you can use with MetaTrader 4 is the FXPro Platform account, which is also a market execution account. The CTrader account can be used to trade Forex, metals, indices, and energies. It is also a market execution account. This account also allows hedging and can be used on the CTrader platform. The last live trading account you can use with FXPro is the FXPro MetaTrader 5 account, which is also a market execution account with tiered liquidity and floating spreads. However, it allows netting by default, and hedging functionality must be requested. You can trade crypto 24/7 with this account, and it can only be used on MetaTrader 5. Both of their market execution accounts allow 24/7 cryptocurrency trading. Their platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as CTrader and the FXPro proprietary trading platform, which are all supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXPro provides educational resources for beginners and advanced traders, covering the topics of trading basics, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and trading psychology. These learning modules are divided into lessons. There are also videos you can watch to learn more about trading habits, currency pairs, and market players. for you to browse through at any time if you are searching for any additional educational content with FXPro. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best prepaid Mastercard Forex brokers, we have IC Markets. IC Markets is a globally recognized online Forex and CFD broker known for its commitment to providing traders with a cutting-edge and user-friendly trading environment. With a strong global presence and a reputation for transparency and innovation, IC Markets offers a wide range of trading instruments, competitive spreads, and lightning-fast execution. IC Markets offers a diverse and extensive range of trading instruments, making it a go-to choice for traders seeking variety and flexibility in their trading portfolios. They offer a comprehensive selection of assets, including Forex currency pairs, stock indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. IC Markets provide traders with the opportunity to explore and capitalize on various market opportunities, whether you are interested in trading major or exotic Forex pairs, speculating on global stock market indices, or diversifying into commodities such as gold and oil. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader, which are all supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. IC Markets offers 3 main types of accounts, which include the CTrader Raw Spread account, the Raw Spread account, and the Standard account, and also provides demo and Islamic account options. IC Markets is dedicated to empowering traders with the knowledge and skills they need to succeed in the financial markets. Their educational resources are a testament to this commitment, providing a comprehensive range of learning material and tools. Traders, whether beginners or seasoned professionals, can access a wealth of educational content, including webinars, video tutorials, market analysis, and trading guides. These resources cover a wide spectrum of topics, from the basics of trading to advanced strategies, risk management, and market analysis. With a strong focus on trader development, their educational resources are a valuable asset for anyone looking to expand their trading knowledge and improve their trading skills. And those are some of the top 5 best prepaid Mastercard Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.